If you stay in bed, if you stay on the couch, if you stay in your comfort zone, if you only do what is easy, your life will be hard. But if you do what is hard, if you get up, if you grind, if you are relentless, if you work as hard as possible, when other people are slacking off, your life will be easy.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my $511 profit breakdown. So we start off on the daily time frame, and as you can see, we were previously in a bearish market structure, creating lower lows, lower highs, lower low, followed by a break of this previous lower high to turning the structure into a bullish structure to create higher lows and possibly a higher high with a new impulse. So if I was to put this to the side, you can clearly see the shift of a bearish trend now turning into a bullish trend. So we look for our impulse that consists of all one color. You clearly see this impulse right here, all green candles, followed by a retracement of minimum 2 daily candles, which should also be all one color. You see the impulse broke the previous internal structure right here with this candle and closed above it. So if I was to mark out the highest point, this would be the highest point, and you can clearly see we had this massive candle breaking and closing above the highest point of this internal structure right here. So now we know we have a bullish structure on the daily. We go to the weekly, and on the weekly I will be looking for my support or resistance that could be of influence. As you can clearly see, we had this level of support previously, support got broken. Now you can expect this level to turn into resistance, but what ended up happening was price broke the level to the upside and now can possibly use it as support to continue the momentum to the upside. Here you see it was previously resistance, and you know when price breaks a resistance level, it turns into a support. So if we now go back on the daily time frame, on the daily we will be using our Fibonacci to measure the distance of the new impulse. So we draw it in the opposite direction from the end of the retracement to the beginning to measure the distance to where the new impulse is at least going to travel before it has its retracement to create a possibly higher low to then continue the trend to the upside. Then we go to the 4 hour, and on the 4 hour we will be waiting for a break of the 61 level followed by a close of the 61 level. Our entry will be on the 61 or stop loss on the 88, and our take profit at the negative 27. So let's play this out. As you see right here, price has broken the 61 level and closed above. So our buy limit order is now going on the 61, our stop loss on the 88 level, and our take profit at the negative 27. Right now we are tapped into this trade and we're waiting for the break and close above the 38. Price has now broken this 38 level, so that means our stop loss can go from the 88 level to our entry level and make this trade a risk-free trade. Right now we're waiting until our take profit gets hit, and this is the current price action, and as you can see, price has hit our take profit level, and this was the 1 to 3 risk to reward on EURCAD. So I appreciate you staying with me. Peace.